This is for the first dictation of rhythm, and I wanted to just remind you of a few things. All of the dictation I'm going to give you today is going to be in 4/4 time. Remember, that means that a quarter note gets one count and that there's 4 counts in every measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If I were to give you this rhythm, you'd know that that was 4 counts. Sometimes when you're doing dictation, you can get really behind and frustrated if you try to draw each note with a nice round thing and a straight stem. So what I do, if the dictation's going like this fast, I might go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would just put a dash there. And then as the second time, I would confirm it, and I might color them in. And if I saw the due days, and I wouldn't worry about how neat they are or how complete it looks. In other words, you can't go make it round and make a stem. Can't do that during dictation. You got to be quick. You got to get your idea down and be ready to go on to the next one. I do repeat them twice, so you have a chance to listen again, and don't be discouraged if you don't get them right away. It's okay. It takes time to learn this, and you learn by repetition in this kind of a thing. You can think your way into it, and you know it, but to get it down that quickly is just really almost like muscle memory. It just takes some time to get used to it. All right, so I'm going to turn on the metronome, and you will see just a screen of floaty notes because I don't want to distract you with anything. Be sure that you have your paper numbered with groups of 12. We actually have 5 different sets of rhythmic dictation. It's very helpful if you have it done, so stop the tape for a moment and go ahead and do that and then turn it back on. All right, here's the metronome. This is number 1 set. Do's and do days. 1, 2, ready, number 1. Do, do, day, do, do, repeating number 1, ready, go. Do, do, day, do, do. Ready now for number 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, day, do, do. Repeating number 2, ready, go. Do, day, do, do. Going on to number 3, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, do, do. Repeating number 3, ready, go. Do, do, do. Going on to number 4. Do, do. Repeating number 4, ready, go. Do, do. Going on to number 5, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, day, do, day, do. Repeating number 5, ready, go. Do, day, do, day, do. Going on to number 6, do. Repeating number 6, ready, go. Do. Going on to number 7, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, day, do. Repeating number 7, ready, go. Do, day, do. Going on to number 8, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, day, do. Repeating number 8, ready, go. Do, day, do. Going on to number 9, do, day, do. Repeating number 9, ready, go. Do, day. Going on to number 10, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, Repeating number 10, ready, go. Do, 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 do. Going on to number 11. Do, do, day, do, do. Repeating number 11. Ready, go. Do, do, day, do, do. Going on to number 12. Do, do, do. Repeating number 12. Ready, go. Do, do, do. Oh, very good. All right, here are the answers. Remember that you can stop the video in order to make your corrections. And also you can listen to it again. Try it again. So if you got them all right, you are awesome. You got 10 out of 12. You are still a big wow. 8 of 12, pretty darn good. 6 out of 12, that's not 50% ain't bad, but 4 out of 12, maybe you better try again. And if you got 2 out of 12, don't be discouraged. Remember, Einstein dropped out of high school. Okay, let's go on to set number 2. This time I'm going to say the do's and the do days the first time through. The second time through I will play the violin. So it's up to you to know if it's a quarter note, half note, or eighth note. On this set I'm introducing rests, and you can just do a squiggle where a rest is. Don't worry about it if you know how to write it or not. And secondly, introducing dutta data, the 4 16th notes. Remember, they're hooked together with 2 bars at the top. That's what makes them 16th notes. Okay, here we go. Number 1, ready, go. Do, do, rest, do. Playing it again, ready, go. Number 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, day, do today to do. Repeating number 2, ready, go. Number 3, ready, go. Do, day, rest, do, do. Playing it again, ready, go. Going on to number 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, rest, rest. Playing it again, ready, go. Rest, rest. Number 5, ready, go. Rest. Number 6, ready, go. Repeating number 6, ready, go. Going on to number 7, 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Repeating it again, ready, go. Going on to number 8, 1, 2, ready, go. Repeating number 8, ready, go. Number 9, ready, go. Repeating number 9, ready, go. Going on to number 10, 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Repeating number 10, go. Rest. Going on to number 11, 1, 2, ready, go. Repeating number 11, ready, go. Number 12, ready, go. 12 again, ready, go. Okay, that's getting a little harder, I think. And I didn't think you needed as much time, so I just started playing it all. Let's get the answers. right, let's go on to the next one. And I think this will be the last one, so you can make another 3 minutes, you're good to go. On this one, it's just the whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, and 16th notes, all the ones that you know. And I'm going to up the tempo a little bit. I think we can go faster. And I think that I'm going to just play it on the violin. You won't hear any do's and do days from me at all. And I'll give you a secret. In the whole thing, there's only one rest. Okay? Let's get our metronome going a little bit faster. Okay, we're up to 78 on the metronome. This is number 1. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat that one. Ready, go. Number 2, ready, go. Play it again. Number 2, go. Number 3, ready, go. Number 3 again, ready, go. Number 4, ready, go. Repeat number 4, ready, go. Number 5, ready, go. Number 5 again, ready, go. Number 6, ready, go. Repeat number 6, ready, go. Number 7, ready, go. Number 7 again, go. Number 8, ready, go. Number 8 again, ready, go. Number 9, now, ready, go. Number 9 again, ready, go. Number 10, now, ready, go. Number 10 again, go. Number 11, ready, go. Number 11 again, ready, go. Number 12, ready, go. Number 12 again, ready, go. All right. Did you find the rest? Did you find it? It's in number 9. All right, let's get the numbers up there, or the answers. I think you all qualify as awesome. Frankly, to go this far and work this hard at it, good job. You are working to improve your musicianship. That's great. So I would appreciate some feedback in the comments about whether you're enjoying these dictation videos. It takes a little time to put them together. I'm happy to do it. I've got 3 more rhythm ones, one that introduces the dotted notes and one that introduces the triplets. So let me know if you're using them and if you're interested, and I will get motivated to do some more. Oh boy, more dictation. Yeah. All right, that's all for tonight. Thank you. Bye-bye.